I'm so happy to be here, yeah. I'm just happy to be here. Still I know the world's on fire, the situation's dire. A lot of work and courage gonna be required, but I'm just happy to be.
Our friendly boat neighbors just dropped off some reading material on Block Island, which we think we're gonna go do. Thanks guys, yeah, great meeting you, and thanks for the recommendation. It was a 37 nautical mile sail, roughly 7 hours. We are leaving Old Saybrook, New York, Connecticut. Shit. We are leaving Old Saybrook, Connecticut, and heading to Block Island, Rhode Island. Now she's ready for a new beach. So where are we? Old Saybrook, really cool little spot. Did you enjoy it?
I have got dreams, I got desire.
Eric wants to sail off the river. He's getting brave. So we're gonna put the sail up.
All right.
I can walk alone, I can catch.
There you go. Good work, honey. Yeah.
I can
Look at that
go
thing.
anywhere.
Old Saybrook breakwall. Definitely some traffic on the Connecticut River, that's for sure.
I can walk a block, I can buy weed, walk to the park, smoke it all and feel free. I can do anything.
Felt really good to trim the sails, feel the wind, and move onward.
Thousands of people still sitting
Cruising around 6 knots, heading to Block Island, Rhode Island, and I'm fixing to pass the sailboat right here.
What would you call it? What would you call it?
Yeah, gorgeous day. We sailed the entire way. Sunshine, awesome wind. We did have some current.
Over 5 knots we're cruising with 3 knots of wind. We always get real happy when we're sailing faster than the wind speed.
So we're going through what they call is the race here in Long Island, between a couple islands basically. And the current's so strong, we're doing 6 knots with like 2 knots of wind right now. It's all current, moving at about 4 knots. Hold on to your hats, folks. Here comes the ocean. Yeah, kind of crazy once you get past the race and the shallows. Yeah, you actually can see the ocean coming, the waves, the current. It's pretty cool.
Eric is going to try to use the skills that Jim and Colette taught him to catch us a fish.
In the ocean. Lake Michigan skills in the ocean. Our first fish from the boat. Gorgeous freaking, I don't know what the heck it is. We're going to look it up. Beautiful. There you go, Jim, Colette. Our first fish off our fly, flasher, and dipsy. Thanks, guys. Oh, ginormous. Almost to Block Island. You see the sand dunes on Block Island there? It look like they're a couple 100 feet tall.
I have got dreams, I got desires, I have been told all of my life I can do anything.
Coming into Block Island, there's like every kind of bird flying around here together. I don't know, probably mostly seagulls.
So, look at the size of this thing. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
Camera does not justify it. Wow. Look at all these boats. We are anchored in like an anchored field. An anchored field? Right next to this guy. He came up. He wasn't good. We were so close to him.
But apparently they were able to.
Hopefully we don't swing into him. So a storm came through that night with like 30+ mph gusts. And we didn't want to start our engine. We realized we had a freaking rope wrapped around our prop. So Anna was out there at like 3:30 in the morning trying to get that undone. In case we did have to move the boat from the wind cushions. Some of the wonderful perks of boat life, right? And Block Island had fairly clear water, so we decided to swap out the anode. Which basically involved me basically diving down on the boat and replacing a sacrificial piece of metal on the prop shaft. Oh, there was a seal right here.
Like on the beach? Or
No, in the water. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Oh.
Eric's getting all suited up to go down below and change out the zinc to a saltwater zinc.
And I just saw a seal in the water, so I'm hoping I get to see him under there. That's pretty freaking cool.
Yeah.
No seal, but we did get the anode off pretty easily. It wasn't nearly as corroded as I thought it was going to be. Gave her a little bit of a scrub and got the new one back on. Felt really good to be in the water. Wasn't seeing fish or anything, but felt really good to be diving. We then decided to jump on the paddle boards and go see the Atlantic side of the island.
Hey, shit, I can go anywhere. What would you call
Jimmy Beach. Oh yeah, I can hear the ocean. Gorgeous. What's your?
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, you want a picture?
Sure.
You got an email?
No.
Well, you guys can get on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Sailing Onward. In about 2 weeks, I'll have a video and you guys will be on it. Okay? Nice. Awesome. Thanks, Dylan.
I lived in Boulder in 72 off Arapahoe Street when our marriage was new. We were in love, we traveled the state, Sangre de Cristos to the Hanging Lake. We were married for 3 nice years, was missing my home, and you were in tears. Back to Kiel, we couldn't make it last, but you had your compass, you had your maps.
So this is now our good friend David. David came by while we were in Old Saybrook and offered us to use his mooring for a couple days because he was sailing to Block Island. I said, hey, we're actually going that way too. So he says, well, I'll find you when we get there the next day, you know. And He found us a day later. Come and hung out. Tightened up our stuffing box. Yeah, awesome guy. Great story. Great hanging with you, David.
That was like first hot dog in years, decades possibly. Oscar Mayer.
Okay, it's pretty good.
It's pretty damn good. Yeah.
I think I fixed it up pretty nice.
Well, awesome.
Yeah, we'll stay in touch, David. It was great meeting you. Comment on any video or text us anytime.
Alright.
Let us know what we're doing wrong.
I see that mainsail not all the way up.
Yeah. Awesome. Have a great time. We'll see ya. We decided to let this guy go. He looks a little bigger than us. Heading to New London for a new solar controller.
Great idea.
Very true. So yeah, we had a little mishap with the solar controller. Went to New London to grab a new one. But yeah, just short little 5-hour detour. No big deal. Kind of going against current right now. I just adjusted the sails, gave us an extra knot actually. And then we decided back to Port Washington before heading again back through New York City and then on south. And at this point we still weren't exactly sure how far south we were going. We're still waiting out hurricane season to go too far south. So yeah, we really haven't decided. Chesapeake Bay, most likely. So look at the size of these doors. It's like a submarine. Shipyard, they build submarines here apparently. So that's a freaking Coast Guard sailing yacht. Like, I mean, it's got to be 300 feet long.
We were married 3 nice years. Was missing my home, and you were in tears. Back to Kiel, we couldn't make it last, but you had your compass. You had your
Public snack
maps.
bed.
You had your
Pretty
compass.
cool. Yeah, awesome little community garden.
Look.
Grab some fresh veggies for
Free
dinner.
snacks from New London.
I had my
It's like a
harbor
watermelon
with the tall
tomato.
ship's mast. We stayed in touch, and the years went past. You came to visit San.
After grabbing our new solar controller, we did a nice little bike ride through town.
I told you, Sarah, you heeded my advice. Went back to Boulder, you made her your wife. You had your compass, you had your maps. You had it all.
We made our way back to the boat, had a wonderful dinner, and started planning our trip for the East Coast.
Lost touch, and the years went past.
Join us next week as we lose our dinghy motor, head back through New York, hit the Atlantic, and see whales and dolphins for the first time.
I looked you up in 2000.